Hello everyone. So today we'll look at how we can have passive income using Amazon affiliate, and it will be a 100% automation. We no need to write any blogs or update any of the products. It will work on 100% automation model. And right now for this example, I have created Amazon affiliate account for India, but this is not only limited to India. We can create this website for any countries where Amazon associate is supported. I have this documentation page open where it states which all countries have Amazon affiliate support. So these are the countries where we have support for Amazon affiliate. Any of these countries can use this website, and we can also create a website for multiple countries. So we'll look into this website and see what all features we have in this website. So we have this beautifully designed banner, which is also having a little animation over here, and the design is looking awesome. And we have this eye-catchy title which says unlock the best Amazon deals today. We have this beautifully to designs button. We'll see these buttons later. Down below, we also have services offered by Amazon, and if the user clicks on any of these services, it will generate commission. And we have also this footer pages. These footer pages are recommended pages by Amazon, which will state that if user is buying from your website, you are making a little commission out of it, and you are promoting Amazon products. So these are the important pages. Now we'll look at more features onto this website. So first feature what we have on this website is paste link. If the user clicks on paste link, we can also see what all is required in this paste link. So we have this view sample images. It will show that you have to open any of the Amazon product and double click that and click on copy. Once you copy that URL, you have to paste it in this blog. If you are on mobile, you have to click on the share button and then click on copy. So let me do that quickly and show you how it will be. So I have this product already open. I'll copy this and paste it over here, and I'll click on enter. So once it load, it will show you the real rating of this product. So it says that this product has 4.2 as rating and the price is 224. Now the user can copy this link or he can buy this product. Once the user clicks on this buy product, you will make a commission out of it because this will be your affiliate link. So this works for any products in Amazon. You take random any of the products and ask the user to come over here and paste the link and check the real rating. Once they check the real rating, ask them to buy from this link and you will make a commission out of it. The second most important feature over here is Amazon search. This Amazon search is nothing but same as Amazon search. In the Amazon website, you go and search something, right? The same search we have bought it over here in this website, which is developed by me. So this search is like if you want to buy a book from Amazon, you just type books and press enter. It will load, it will fetch all the products for Amazon which has books, and it will show all the books over here. It shows what is the lowest price, what is the current price, what is the ASIN number, all of this. And once the user wishes to buy any of the book, for example this psychology of money, if anyone wish to buy, they can click on this view product, and this will also be your affiliate link, and they will make a purchase out of it and you will make a commission from this. We also have this ASIN number, which is very important, which we'll see later now. The other feature on this website is single product search. Over here, we have to paste that ASIN number. Either you go over there, search a product and then get a ASIN number, or any random product on Amazon will always have a ASIN number. If you search ASIN number, this is the ASIN number. In product details, all the products will have this ASIN number. You copy this ASIN number and then go to the website, click paste. This is your ASIN number, and this will go to the Amazon website and fetch all the details for this product. So this is the product, this is the lowest price for this product, this is the current price, and this is the ASIN number. And here also, if the user clicks on this website and this link and buy a product, you will make a commission out of it. The next important feature on this website is Amazon bestseller. Here you can put all the bestseller items of Amazon which are trending based on the category. For example, this home improvement, these are the top 4 products from Amazon. This is for garden and outdoor, this is for home and kitchen, this is for electronics, all of this. And this is completely responsive. You can check on mobile phone also, it will working dynamically. And right and the end, we have this joint community. If you want to share updates on your website, or you want to share some important features what you have developed on this website, you can share it in that group. And I'm also willing to sell this website. So if anyone is interested to buy this website or build similar kind of website for their own affiliate business, you can contact me on this WhatsApp number or email me on this email address, and I'll be responding you within 2 hours of time. So thank you very much. I hope you have a great day.